You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce. Yes, I'm French, I know, and I'm teaching English here. My English is not too bad, despite what the haters say. We'll be looking at how to say more stuff. Mustn't, mustn't, mustn't. The contraction of must not, mustn't. It's easy. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I do appreciate your support. Thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.